Casey's walking the snow. What? Not that way, sweetie. Casey, hi. Wanna go home? Come on, let's go. Good girl. She can't run too fast because I don't have a retractable leash. This is for you, Sam. You wanted to see my neighborhood? Here's my neighborhood. And there's Casey, trying to run and give me an asthma attack. Oh, she stopped. What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna do a good girl? Yeah. Casey, come on. Get out of there. Come on. Come on, stupid head. Come on, stupid head. Stop going on the grass. Or lack of grass. What's the matter? What's the matter? Are you okay? Are you okay, baby? Wanna come up? Yeah, okay, something's wrong. Hold on.